Yeah, so guys, welcome to a new video. Today we are assembling some rattan on wood beds. This is for our client who had just ordered. Yeah, these ones are quite iconic and a new type of furniture that we've decided to do. So if you look at it properly, this is how they look like. And then as you can notice, there's rattan here. This is rattan, and then these are the rings that we managed to recess. Yeah, this is how the bed looks like. It's quite beautiful. So what we did first after making the beds, we had to apply some sanding sealer, and we also had to apply polish woodworks. So these are the headboards, and these are the side cabinets for the beds. They are made of solid mahogany. This is solid mahogany, and you can see the drawers are clean shut. We also have runners here for a smooth shut. This is how it works. This is all solid mahogany, and then as you can see, we do ours differently. We recess them with boards. Those are 6mm boards, such that at least the mattress does not have damages. That's how the headboard looks like. So the headboard, we managed to have them clear varnished, just as the owner had wanted. Yeah, so you can see there, that's one of our guys. It's called Clinton. Yeah, he has some expertise skills on finishing. He's the one who does the finishes for us here. Yeah, so this is a 4x6 bed, as you can see. It's not that quite big, but the owner wanted them for that size. So she ordered for 6 beds. So the first 3 went because we did not have enough space. The first 3 went, and then now this is the last consignment. So what we are going to do today is basically to have these beds joined, and then again we'll have to polish them again because of the dust. Before they are taken, they are picked up, they'll be headed to Westlands. That's where they are going to be shipped. That's exactly where they're going to be shipped. So we opened this place recently, but still we are on some stages of expanding for space, because basically what we want to do, we want to put some cabro here and some shade. This is one of our shops. So here is where we do this. Here is where we do all the joineries of finished products. Here is where we do it. But we have another workshop where now we do we make the frames, okay, for heavy division. But here is just a point where we have our goods shipped out. So we don't have it that large, but we have a bigger place, of which I'll be sharing it with you very soon as well. Yeah, so this is what we are doing, basically doing today. Basically doing today. So one of our guys asked us how we recess these boards. So I told them first we usually put not the boards, the rattan panels. First we usually attach silicone, and then after silicone we use some washers. Maybe I'll show you the back of how we managed to have this done. Yeah, so this is how the back looks like for these beds. So first we put silicone and then silicone. That's when we put washers. You can see they have washers, and we'll have some of them done on the same, because silicone sometimes has a tendency to, it's not a very permanent solution. But now when you have the washers behind it, it becomes as permanent as possible. Then somebody also asked us how we managed to weave rattan on this. We just made some holes and then we started weaving all round. So basically what we do for a living, and guys, to our shop, I truly appreciate the engagement. I would like to kindly ask you guys to like, share and subscribe to our content. I'm very happy now. We are on 10,000 subscribers. That's where we've reached now. We are over 10,000 subscribers, 10.4 now. That's where we are headed to. And then we have over 5.2 million views on YouTube. That is quite some engagement. Yeah, so I really appreciate the effort you do, guys. Yeah, feel free to ask questions if you want. So thank you so much. It is now 10 o'clock in Nairobi, Kenya. Yeah, this is Nairobi, Kenya. So this is what we do for a living. So thank you so much. I ask you guys to subscribe for more. We'll keep posting. Thank you so much.